number 21. Hub oil below minimum level when fitted with side glass, leaking wheel seal, evidence of imminent wheel hub or bearing failures. If hub is fitted with the side glass, say, my hub has two levels, maximum and minimum. Hub oil is above minimum level. There is no wheel seal leakage inside. There is no oil leakage outside. Hub mounted securely. Wheel rim, it's good. No crack, no damage. Nothing broken. Inside and outside. Wheel bearing is good. Now read minor or major and describe. If hub oil below minimum level when fitted with side glass, and if leaking wheel seal, these are the minor defects, I will note down in my logbook, call the operator, and I still can drive. If evidence of imminent wheel hub or bearing failure, these are the major defects, I will note down in my logbook, call the operator, and I will not drive.